doing a review on Karnataka Bank, a smaller bank compared to the other large private banks in our country. Let's look at how the bank is faring as of now. Coming to the rankings, earnings rank is at 56.3. That's about 45% of companies in the track list that we have. Track list has gone up from 680 to 742. As the market becomes bullish, more stocks get qualified for investing and mutual funds take investments. Hence, the list goes bigger. There have been a lot of drops and new additions that has come into the list. So based on that, rankings also will keep changing. So on earnings, Karnataka Bank is at 56.3%. Price rank is at 7.8%. Very less space to go down from here. That said, why it is here? If we see the chart of price rank, it was at 9.4 5 months back, came close to 7.5, had a jump in October. It tried to push through, went only close to 14 and again dropped back to 7.8. Looks like no investor is interested in this stock. All of them are kind of sleeping. Coming to business growth, profit has been going all around. We can see in the chart the blue line is from bottom to top to mid. It's just going all around. That's why we put this image running around the world. As profit is going up and down, sales is trying to inch up. They are putting a lot of effort to push the sales up, while it goes up one step, comes down one step. While that said, it's been improving. Slow improvement is there in sales growth, whereas margins have been totally under rest. So with increasing sales, margins at the same level, profit has been declining. That is, growth in profits has been going down. Looks like something is wrong with the bank. Coming to investors, as we have already said, no investor is showing any interest. That said, retail have bought heavily. Big jump on retail exposure in the stock. Looks like they have built in huge expectation and that expectation is not met. We can see through the price rank, it has not gone anywhere. That means all these people who invested in this stock with expectation have been put down. Too optimistic retail investors, while other investors have kept low. All of them are only selling the stock. So others have been very intelligent to move out, whereas retail took a wrong side. Coming to the charts, on the left side we have the monthly chart. This stock started going down in 2018, beginning 2018, when the whole mid and small cap sector went down. After that, it had a lower low in 2019. Post that, about 7 months it stayed there itself, was not able to muster any strength. Again, during COVID, it goes down further. Well, as it keeps reaching to lower lows, indicators start giving higher, at least became little bullish. So this green arrow on the price chart shows a decline in price, whereas the blue arrow on the indicator shows it is sideways. That means it is not supporting the downside. Even after that, the stock for about 8 months has been staying low. This is why the investor interest got waned out and the ranking on the price rank dropped because of this only. Price did not go anywhere. Coming to weekly, it had a drop in 2019 low when it got breached in 2020 March. Steep decline. Instead of that, indicators showed positive signs. After that also, about 7 months, stock tried a lot but did not succeed. At the right edge, we had put a trend reversal. This is a beautiful signal. When this signal comes, 80% probability of winning is there, and profits also will be very high because that happens at the cusp of a turnaround. Here also we can see after this trend reversal, the stock has been going up. Looks like it will have a good move. It will get overbought at 54.2 levels. As of now, it is at 51. So trend reversal should bring momentum. Though it had a long rest, it still lacks energy. This is all views and shared our thoughts and ideas on the stock and the market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Wanting to buy, even though this stock is at a very attractive level, make your decisions, know the risks and then buy. Don't just go blindly buy this just because we have told that there is a trend reversal in which it will work. Thank you.